Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to comment and react on LinkedIn post as your company page. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, now I'm on my LinkedIn feed. Then go to someone's post. You can see this little down arrow button under the post and click on that. This is where you can switch between company pages and profile. It says you can comment, react and share as your company page. Then select the company page. Click on save. Now you can see this picture has changed. If I comment here, you can see it appears as my company page. Also, if I react here, it shows as my company page. If I'm going to share this, again it shows this is getting shared on the company page. Now, if you want to switch back to the personal profile, again click on this little arrowhead and select your personal profile. Click on save. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.